Welcome back everyone, and today we will focus on command injection. So let's move on to low security first, and let's go to command injection. Now here we have a ping a device. So let's try out and do as 192.168.168, or let's do the local server IP, which can work in your case as well. So just type in 127.1.0.0.1. Just click on submit and wait for 4 seconds, and it should ping up with this thing right out here. So this is a simple ping feature right out here in this page. So it is just pinging up. Now what's special right out here? Now the thing is, as ping is a system command, so what can this page be doing? Let's think about it. It is asking us an IP address, and that IP address should be written like this in a system console, and whatever is the output should be shown on the screen. So let me just do it for you. So it should work like ping 127.0.0.1. So we enter an IP address, we click on submit. So that thing should go in a system console, and then the command should be written like this. Then someone will just like, then automated enter should be there, and then let me just press Control C. It's gonna ping infinite time otherwise. So then this output should be shown on the screen. So which means that this form has a direct access to the system console. Now, if if the input is not being sanitized here, we can get access to the whole system, which means that we can try out we can just try out anything like ls, which in Linux will just list all the directories. We can just try this out. Let's see what happens. So here we don't get any output, so that's not gonna work. That's not working. So which means that maybe output is like, it is writing a ping command before our input. So let's try this one. We'll type 1 to 7, okay, .0.0.1, which is the localhost IP address. So you can just type in any IP address if you are connected to internet. Then in case of Linux system, so if this website is running on a Linux server, we will use a semicolon. Otherwise, we will use a ampersand sign, a logical AND. So which is this one. So we will use this in case of a Windows server, but in my case, I'm running up on the Kali Linux machine, so it is a Linux server. So I'll use an ampersand sign, which is for AND. So execute this query and execute the next command, whichever we are gonna type. So I'll be typing ls to list all the commands. If it was a Windows server, we will type double ampersand and then dir instead of ls. So let's just go ahead. So I just submitted that request, and right now you can see the output. It has pinged the command till this, and then it is showing help index.php in source. So this is the ls command working. This means that command injection is working up. You can just try out and you can just do anything now. So just type in the IP address and then semicolon, and then just type in anything, cd dash dash, or like you can just type in anything out there, or you can just type in pwd for checking out where we are. So pwd print working directory. Let's try it out. It'll tell where we are. So we are in var www html dbwa vulnerabilities and exec. Let's let's even know that who we are. So who am I? Submit, and it'll tell you who we are. And like you can just see we are www data. And now what you can do is you can just with www data user, you can do anything on this website, anything on this server. So you can type in any command. You can, as you do in terminals, you can just type in cp for copy, move, and their cat and all. Every command is going to work. So you can even try out wget, which will, which can download anything from internet on this server. So with this, you can actually get a payload uploaded in this website, and then you can just directly access the website using your payload, like we did in the shell. So like we did in the file upload vulnerability. And you can even copy files, move files, anything you might want to do, you can do. So that was all for this lecture. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.